Hey guys, I'm back. I will show you how to you edit your video and make it your voice more sweet, more deeper. So I will show you. First of all, you need to open Canva. Sorry, it's not Canva. It's a uh, uh, editor, CapCut. Okay, so open it and import your video. I will import it, my video, import it. Okay, so this is my video. I will import. Then I will drag and drop here in timeline. Then I will increase the volume. Then I will export. Okay, export and make it um, confirm the checking button is fill. Okay, then where you need your audio, here I will select this folder and I will rename um, what oh the audio. Okay, so export. Where I click the export, it is two things: video and audio are separately exported. Okay, so I will get back to you when this video exported. Hello there, I'm back. My video exported is completed, so that I will go to the folder where I exported. Here is the folder and here is the two file, audio file and video file. Okay, so we will go to the okay, we will go to the another browser and search audio enhancer, then hit enter button. Then here's the first website, you need to open it, and here the button choose files. Click here and choose your file where the file location. So select the file, audio file, and open it. And they need some time to create a more deep voice and professional voice, you know. So we will get back to soon when complete the enhancing. Hey guys, I'm back, and this is my video is audio is completed the enhance. So we will here
Hello guys, I'm
you
back.
can see
Uh,
this is
Another
the enhancing.
brand new video.
You can see, you can hear actually this is the enhancing voice, and I will show you the before enhancing this voice here. Okay, so hear that carefully. Okay,
Hello guys, I'm back. Uh, Another brand new video. So,
yeah, here the different,
so uh, I want to create a thumbnail.
it is more professional. No, okay, so download it and give them some time so that they download completely, and we will edit this voice with another software. So we will go to the another software, we will click here and open it, and my BlueStack 5. They need some time actually. Okay, so first of all, what I need to go the home, and we will import my audio from Windows. Import from Windows, click here and click the download button and audio enhance. This is our file, you can see. So open it here. And then we will go to the software and we will open, click open button. Then we will open this audio in this software. Then we will go to the three dot and here the FX, click here and go to the equalizer here and click there, and you need to play before applying this effect.
Hello guys, I'm back. Another brand new video. So I want to create a thumbnail for my video, and I will show you how do you create a simple
You hear that? This is the different, actually this is the different, guys. This is the different. So we will apply it, but click the apply button. Okay, then it's some time. We will hear again.
profile and search where
You hear? We will save it. Okay, stop. We will save it in the what name I should give them. Audio. Okay. Okay. KKK. No worry. Save them. Okay, so we need to go to the file manager. Then we will need to watch, guys, watch. Okay, music. Press the audio file. Then you go to the export to Windows button, and where you need actually click the select this folder or a folder and select the folder, and we will go to the folder and check it out as exported. Yeah, this is the file. Okay, it is exported, so I can close this software. Okay, I don't need it. Then we will need to import this file in CapCut here. Okay, so we will separate their audio from this video, separate the audio from this video. Okay, click here, and this is the oldest audio. Okay, I will separate there, and this is the newest video, editing audio, sorry, editable audio. Okay, we need to
create
hear
a
that.
thumbnail for my video, and I will show you how do you create.
This is more professional, more professional. Okay, so my if my video helpful for you, then you will hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon, and share this video with your friends, your family, or any other person who need to change their voice, make more professional, mm, more professional, actually more looks good. So thank you for watching this video.